Welcome back, and prepare to be bedazzled, because today, under my tutelage, you will learn how to unlock Wolf, the Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. He will challenge you, and once he does, all you need to do is subdue him and trounce him, and then he'll be subsequently added to your prodigious character roster. Remain vigilant at all times, remain wary and leery. His attacks are devastating. He will not relent. He will never capitulate. He will never yield. You never concede the victory to you. Do not acquiesce to being victimized by Wolf. You do not need to be a martyr. He has been unlocked. Once again, to recapitulate, just decimate him in a bout once he challenges you, and if he can successfully achieve that outcome, then he'll be ushered in to your prodigious character roster in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Thanks for watching. Sayonara.